Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a balance sheet out of balance in QuickBooks Enterprise. Now let me explain what this means though, because when your balance sheet shows total assets is not equal to total liabilities plus equity, it means that QuickBooks data has become inconsistent. Maybe there's damaged transactions, or there's data corruption, or incorrect, linked accounts or journal entries, things like that. So, okay, what you can do first, you can identify when it went out of balance. So you can come here to right here. You can come to reports. You can go to company and financial. Okay. You can go to balance sheet summary. Then you just set dates. You just set different dates and see as of what date, okay, the issue arise, the problem date. So you customize these. So I'll close this for now. Okay. You find where the problem starts. And then you can also run the balance sheet by journal entry report. So we can come here to reports. You can go over here to accountant and taxes. And then you go to journal. Okay. And you just set the date ranges to the date the balance sheet goes out of balance. Right. So here we have the balance sheet. So right now my thing is balanced according to the trial balance. The contra entries, everything is correct. So what you can do, finally, once you find what the issue is, you need to verify and rebuild the data if the imbalance still persists. Sometimes it's the data corruption. So you come at the top left, you click on Files, you go over here to Utilities, and then you click on Verify Data. Okay, and QuickBooks will scan for errors, and if prompted, just go ahead and rebuild the data. Okay, that should fix your issue. Otherwise, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.